Another week means another set of releases in the world of AI and robotics. We're talking about AI concepts such as Google, who have released this Claude code competitor that is dominating the developer space for quite some time now. If that isn't enough, we have usual categories such as AI, video generation agents that are set to change the game as we see it at this point in time. Let's take a deep look at all the exciting things that have taken place in the world of AI today. Gemini CLI. Let's start off with this one-of-a-kind Google AI model that is capable of writing code and creating apps. As if this AI model is not impressive enough as it is with its capabilities, it looks like it has gotten even better thanks to this cloud code competitor that seems to make it even better meet agentic open-source AI coder that makes use of Gemini 2.5 Pro to get to work. As such, we find that we have an agentic contender that is capable of running in a command line from Anthropic's with cloud code. Apparently, they may have been the first to release this. Then there was the OpenAI Codex, and then there was the Gemini CLI from Google. With that in mind, we must mention that there are two big differentiating factors that come into play here. Well, as from the fact that we are making use of the Gemini model. One of the main things about this model is that it can generate images and video with Imagen and Veo respectively. The second thing about this is that you can make use of this AI tool for free right now. Isn't that amazing? This is because they are running this promotion that allows users to make 60 requests per minute. It also allows the user to make thousands of requests every day without spending a penny thanks to this free Gemini Code Assistant license. With that in mind, we can see how this is one of the best offerings in terms of cost in the market. You even get $5 worth of Claude code credit if this is the first time that you sign up for the API. As such, this may be the best time for any developer to get their hands on this amazing tool. With its capabilities, you can do anything from generating an invoice for your business to building apps with this on a weekly basis. All without code too. Pretty impressive, right? Right now, we can say that the AI tool will do well if it continues to perform in the market. This is unlike similar tools that were released by ChatGPT that didn't catch on because developers agreed that these OpenAI models weren't as good at writing code like the Claude and the Google models. Right now, models such as Sonnet and Opus 4 and the Gemini 2.5 Pro are the ideal models for models to beat today, especially when you ask any of these developers. As such, we can see how this new release from Google is exciting because it is harnessing what seems to be an already established market. Some can say that it is even more exciting for these developers because you don't need to have a ton of technical knowledge to make use of it. Feel free to try it out for yourself. It may actually help you embark on that journey to become a full-time developer. ElevenAI. Let's turn our attention to the next fascinating concept to come out of the world of AI today. This time we take a look at ElevenAI and their amazing AI voices. Apparently, ElevenAI looks as though they are trying to achieve what may be perceived to be unachievable. A smart voice assistant that knows you so much so that it is able to connect you to different apps. As you can tell, this is an app that is aiming to do all it can for you through this voice interface. To be quite honest, we all figured that something like Siri would have been able to achieve such a feat by now, but somehow this AI is the closest thing to this concept at this point in time. Don't take our word for it. Why don't you try things out for yourself? When you log into your ElevenLabs account, try things out by starting a call and adding integrations. With that, the AI can take a look at your calendar for the next few days. While conversing with the AI tool in real time, you can actually plan things out in said real time. Interactive and proactive as ever, this may be one of the most advanced AI tools in this field that you can find today. Not only can it converse with you in real time, it can also actually help you plan out your week with insights that even you could not imagine at this point in time. Add such a high level of autonomy that could be adjusted, and you'd find that this could be the AI tool that could take you to the level. That said, right now, ElevenLabs has revealed that this feature is still at its experimental stage. With any luck, further work on this exciting feature could only get better as time goes on. Completely free to try at this point in time, make sure that you try these amazing features out today. ChatGPT Record. Next up, we're going to take a look at ChatGPT Record. This is a feature that came out recently and now has become part of most paid plans that you can find within the AI model. This is a great tool because it allows the user to record their meetings and other sorts of conversations that they will have as time goes on. As it is a built-in tool on the app, all you have to do is open the desktop app on your computer and click on this button. Before you know it, you have a transcribed version of your conversation saved onto your laptop. Interestingly, ChatGPT's version of this technology is that their version comes with these open questions and meeting analyzers that take it to the next level. With such tools, individuals, companies, and other sorts of organizations show us how useful this tool could be. For example, you can align them with your roadmaps, make sure that none of the items on your action items list don't get forgotten, and so much more. What's even more unusual yet fantastic about this AI tool and how OpenAI chose to bring it to life is how these open questions help facilitate these features. With these open questions, you could highlight different points in the conversation that need attention, and this could really be the thing that could change the way you handle your affairs. It may hurt some people though, because at this point in time, it is only available on a few plans such as the Teams plan, the Pro plan, the Enterprise plan, and the Edu plan. With any luck, these features will be available to all who log into ChatGPT in any capacity. One more amazing thing about this AI tool is that it could be the backup for the recordings of your meetings. This could be a great source of infinite memory for these sorts of things, especially if you happen to work with clients. With such a dedicated assistant whose 100% focus is fixed on the work that you have at hand, you really could not go wrong. Heck, it can even inspire some ideas for the future. Do not miss out on making use of this amazing tool today. Hiluo Video Agent. Finally, we take a look at this amazing video agent to come out of MiniMax. The amazing thing about this AI tool is that it has all these viral AI presets that you can customize for your own use. Again, this is something that you can check out for yourself. Once you sign up and log in, you can see all these viral presets for yourself. Easy to use with an amazing interface, you can customize any of these presets with your own image. That said, we must note that this isn't necessarily free. Sure, you may have to pay for your credits, but it is relatively cheap to create some of these viral videos with this tool yourself. Truly amazing stuff, and no doubt this just shows how many amazing things come out of AI every day. Make sure you use these tools to improve your lives today.